Have you heard about 3D printed food? This innovative technology is used to produce very authentic vegan meat. We had a chance to try it in the Gauthier Soho restaurant in London.
It is one of the most authentic piece of vegan meat that I've ever had. The texture, taste, the look.
In this video we will share with you our experience. Gauthier is a fine dining vegan restaurant located in Soho, London.
A word, an extract from the menu by Alexis Gauthier. A full turn of the season has now passed since we reopened the restaurant with our new menu completely animal-free. Seasonal is a word thrown around quite easily these days, but with plant-based cooking it's absolutely central to the entire task. As spring melts into summer, the sweetness of sugar intensifies. Stone fruits ripen and soften, squashes mature. It's a season of lightness, bright flavors, fresh scenes. It's time for delicate flavors, refreshing salads, simple harmonies. On our menu, you'll find classic Southern European ingredients such as aubergine, capers and olives, and also things from further afield such Thiso and the first of this year Australian truffle. Classic British highlights include strawberries, celery, fennel and early blackberries. One thing we are proud of is after 12 months there has been such amazing creativity which only seems to increase with every new menu. The kitchen has never been so excited about the future of food. Thank you for allowing us to cook for you. Alexis Gauthier, vegan for the animals.
We started our unique culinary experience with amuse bouche. It was a thin tomato tart and a spread made from aubergine, celery and capers. I was positively surprised that all the wines on the menu were vegan. As a first appetizer there was cow glow brioche with roasted tomato and olive, served with plant feta and pico de gallo. For the second appetizer there were root vegetables prepared in different forms and textures, roasted veggies, veggie chips and carrot mousse, all served with orange and carrot cappuccino topped with coconut foam. This cappuccino was used as a sauce for the veggies. As a third appetizer we got roasted fennel with Szechuan pickled blackberry, cocoa white beans served with a sauce made from fennel and blackcurrant leaf tea. The next dish was truffle ravioli.
I have no words to describe. It is truly explosion of mushroom truffle in your mouth. Fireworks of amazing, sophisticated, very, very intense taste of truffle and mushrooms. Amazing.
Now it's time for barbecued kohlrabi with daikon radish and fresh cucumber, served with a sauce made from prosecco, kaffir lime and lemongrass. And finally, the star of the evening, 3D printed meat, served with red wine sauce. It was a very confusing experience, interesting and weird at the same time.
I'm just having a meal called Tomorrow, which is 3D printed meat made of seitan and soya. It is one of the most authentic piece of vegan meat that I've ever had. The texture, taste, the look. It is supposed to be a lamb meat, which is really, really authentic. Served with red wine sauce, dark sauce. It's amazing. As I said, the dish is called Tomorrow. So I am coming up with a question. If this is a tomorrow of food, it's 2022. Let's see, in a couple of years or decades, if 3D printed meat is the future for food.
As a pre-dessert, we had very thin, crunchy pastry with melon served on lime sorbet and topped with green shisa. As a dessert, we had vegan merengue filled with strawberry sorbet and served with strawberry compote. That was definitely Adam's favorite dish that evening. We also got some petit fours to finish our dinner. Our dinner at Gauthier Soho was an unforgettable experience, and we were really sad to leave. A must-visit place for all the foodies.